What's up, guys? We had a very big green day on the SPY today, but will it continue going up or is just a dead cat bounce? We'll talk about this, some news, all after this. So, like I said, we had a very nice day on the SPY, green day, almost 3%. We're going to look at the chart now, but we had almost 3% on the SPY today. Personally, I think it's just a dead cat bounce. I don't see it as way more than that. It can go a little bit more than that. We look at the chart now, but in general, I expect more downside. We can start with a little bit of news to see why I think what I think. So let's first get into this. So, Target CEO on inflation inventories. We are in an environment many of us haven't seen before. Guys, Target have a lot of inventory. They don't have anyone to sell it to. They have a lot of stuff and there are just no buyers. People are starting to save money. The fuel prices went up, everything went up, and people are just buying less and less and less. This is inflation, this is recession. People are seeing the situation and they are just buying less. You can see what it says here. I recognize after a few weeks of looking at our own store, analyzing our business, looking at our competition and hearing out from them, that we had to address this problem up front. Okay, they have a big problem. As you can see here, they also say about the cost. You see, as we are planning to freight and transportation costs to grow by 1 billion, that number doubled almost overnight. So the cost of shipping and all of these kind of things doubled. It's going to cost them a lot of money. And that's also one of the reasons you can see Target stock is down 14% in June alone, lagging the S&P 500 declines of 11%. Okay, this is one thing about Target. All the retail will go with it. They will all lose some money because they will have a decline in sales. Like all the other companies that they will have decline in sales, people will just start buying less and less and less because they will have less money, obviously. Katie Woods shed nearly all Walt Disney exposure with $7 million sales. This is more about fights in the market and in the management over there. Katie Wood led ARK Investment Management on Tuesday shed most of its exposure in Walt Disney Corporation amid reports of a likely shareholder battle over CEO Bob Chapek's salary. He probably have a good one. So this is just a little bit of news for the beginning. I want to go over the charts to see a little bit more. So before I'm going to the charts, we're going to go over SPY first, and then we're going to go over to the S&P 500. So let's do it. SPY first, okay? We are here in the daily, okay? As you can see, this is the day that we had today. This is our candle, okay? It already marked up. I wanted you to see without all the drawings. Look how nice, how clean. Boom. Support, resistance, support, resistance. All right, so this is the day that we had today. Go away. Brush, brush. There you go. This is the day we had today. We had right off the gates a gap up. And we went up pretty nicely today. Basically, as you can see in the 5 minutes, you will see it easier. We gapped up, and during all day, we just basically consolidated. See, gap up, a little bit of a push up, and consolidated through the whole day. Okay, now we had a very similar move not too long ago. As you can see, this is our bottom before. Okay, so it's a very similar pattern. Take a look at this pattern going down and take a look at this pattern going down. Super similar, same thing, closed the day just around the view up here, just very similar to here, gapped up, consolidated, here it consolidated down, here it consolidated, a better consolidation, more a little bit to the upside, okay? And then we had the day, second day, okay? All of June 15, basically, we had a very nice day, but pretty much consolidation, try to push, but finish up in the same area, just like here. So maybe, I'm not saying for sure, but maybe we will drop back down again. This is what I think. I don't try to gamble what's going to happen tomorrow, but generally I'm a bear on the market. If we look at the levels of support and resistance and some technical, you can see we had this pattern of the ascending triangle, and we tried to break, and actually we broke down just in the end of the day. We broke down below it. So if you're gonna start the day tomorrow below that, we're probably gonna start going down pretty strongly, maybe filling up the gap, and maybe probably going to this level of support, and from there we may either bounce or keep crashing down, maybe making new lows in the next few days. The new lows, like I said in the past videos, will be around the 350 to 355. Okay, 350 to 355 exactly. This is the new levels that I expect. Let's go over into Bitcoin. I'm just trying to do this video pretty short, to the point. Bitcoin, look at that. This is bearish, guys. I actually opened a trade on that. I actually opened a short. You can see, I will show you the short. So it's looking pretty sweet. Bitcoin short. This is it. Okay. This is the short, I'm sorry. It's in the Bitcoin, in the leverage with the short, so it will go to the upside basically because I bought the short. But basically this is it. So it's basically like the Bitcoin chart but upside down. So this is what I'm doing now. Really good risk reward. We had just a little bit of a risk here and a big reward over there. Why I did it? Because I saw Bitcoin with this bearish pattern. Okay, like you can see, I already marked it. So from the bottom we had this uptrend uptrend to this bearish pattern. From this touch point we broke down right now, and we are keeping on going down. We also broke, as you can see, the 200 MA on the 15 minutes, and we broke the weekly level. You can see if you look at it in the 1 hour, it doesn't look better for Bitcoin holders. For me, it does look better. Again, we're breaking the 200 MA, we're breaking the weekly that we got under. And once we got this break, what I expect is to create another bottom and to touch the same bottom. From here, we may bounce or consolidate or go down. Wow, I'm such a genius. I gave you all the options. Yes, I have. My guess, I don't care about time. We will have another touch point at the this level of the 17,600, and from there it might take a day or 2 days, a month. I don't care. I'm not a crystal ball to tell exactly the time, but the next level, as we said, is the 13,000, around the 13,000 to get to. This is the next area of support that I expect, and I expect us to go there. Again, time-wise, I don't know, but this is just my guess. So I'm gonna hold my short, not too long. I'm gonna make my profit and move on when I have a good entry. But as of now, I'm gonna hold my short going down at least to this level of support. So this is it for today. Not too much, not too little. I hope you enjoy. Like, subscribe. Put something in the comments maybe. Maybe comment, I like something, I don't like something, you should do this, you should do that. Guys, I am still new on YouTube. I'm not new to trading, but I am new to YouTube. Don't judge me, okay? I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.